Welcome back to Speed Sphere. Today we explore the 2025 Tesla semi-truck with a clean 5-step walkthrough. Step 1: Front View. The camera opens on the front of the 2025 Tesla Semi, highlighting its aerodynamic nose and bold futuristic design. The grille-free front instantly signals its electric nature, while the sharp LED headlights add a modern and aggressive look. The wide wraparound windshield improves airflow and gives the driver an expansive view of the road ahead. Step 2: Side View. The camera moves along the side profile, revealing the long streamlined body built for efficiency and stability. Smooth panels, flush door handles, and aerodynamic wheels work together to reduce drag and improve range. The tall stance and reinforced structure show that this truck is engineered for serious heavy-duty hauling. Step 3: Rear View. The focus shifts to the rear where strength meets simplicity. Modern LED tail lights ensure high visibility and safety during night and highway driving. The strong rear frame supports multiple trailer setups, making the Semi adaptable for various freight needs. Step 4: Interior View. The camera transitions inside the cabin, revealing a spacious and futuristic interior layout. The central driving position improves balance and control, placing the driver at the heart of the vehicle. Dual digital displays provide navigation, camera feeds, performance data, and vehicle diagnostics with ease. Premium materials, smart storage, and advanced climate control create a comfortable long-haul driving environment. Step 5: Engine and Performance. Visuals show the Tesla Semi in motion, powered by its advanced electric drivetrain. Instant torque delivers smooth acceleration even with heavy loads, outperforming traditional diesel trucks. Regenerative braking improves efficiency while reducing wear, and fast charging minimizes downtime on long routes. The 2025 Tesla Semi represents the future of freight with power, technology, and sustainability combined. Subscribe to Speed Sphere for more detailed and step-by-step automotive content.